It's 2022 and we can eat Burger King as a vegan. Oh my God, I said it. I said it. Why is it cold? It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another mukbang. Today you're watching another episode of Munching Mondays, which is my mukbang series, and mukbang is an eating show. So we're gonna be eating together and we are going to chat. So if that is your thing, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. So today you guys, I'm so excited because as you can see, we've got some comfort food, okay? We have some Burger King, you guys, okay? Burger King, It's 2022 and we can eat Burger King as a vegan. Wow. I really wanted to try the Impossible Whopper. Here's the thing. I tried it in the States when it first came out because it was only available in the States. And I recently found out, by recently I mean probably a few months ago, I found out that the Impossible Whopper is also in Canada. So I had to try it, you know. I forgot what it tastes like, you know. This is for research. So we're gonna try the Impossible Whopper. You know, let me just put this away because I feel like it's impeding the light. Okay, there we go. Does that look nice? Anyway, I need to try this ASAP. I'm gonna take a bite and then we can chat. So this is the Impossible Whopper, my friends. The Impossible Whopper. I believe it comes with cheese and mayo, so I did ask for no mayo and no cheese and they actually listened, thank God. But I did add my own vegan mayo to this. I just added some Hellmann's, my favorite, okay? Hellmann's vegan mayo, and then inside we've got some lettuce, we've got tomato, we've got onion and pickles, and I think there's some ketchup and mustard, although I might need to add more ketchup because I'm a ketchup lover. Okay, and this is the large size of the Whopper. It's not even that big. Or are we just eating too much nowadays? Anyway, let's take a bite of the Impossible Whopper. Yay! Mmm. Mmm. Ketchup. Ketchup. Fries. Ketchup. Mmm. Fries are a little cold, but that's okay. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Fries are definitely cold. Okay, so the Impossible Whopper. Let me have another bite. Little bit of ketchup. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Here's the thing, guys. It is delicious. Okay? But the funny thing is, I feel like the Beyond Burger would make a better Whopper. I said it. I said it. When I was not a vegan, my favorite burger from like a fast food place was the Whopper, okay? I've probably had a Big Mac maybe twice. But the Whopper, I ate a lot. And the thing is, when I first tried the Beyond Burger, which was in the States, I tried the Veggie Grill Beyond Burger. I was like, oh my God, this tastes like a Whopper. I was like, this would be great as a Whopper. So I was hoping that Beyond Burger and Burger King would do, you know, a collaboration, but impossible happened. It's still good, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like Beyond Burger actually tastes kind of like Whopper-ish. I don't know, am I crazy? It has more of that charred flavor. I feel like Whoppers are known for that charred flavor, whereas I feel like this does not have the charred flavor. I don't know. Not the same charred flavor. It's still delicious, don't get me wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna make a little TikTok, so don't mind me. Just watch me, guys. Hello. This is the reality, okay? Of being a social media influencer nowadays. Hold on one second, let me wipe my camera. Bite. Mmm. Drinking a Diet Coke, and the fries are honestly like way too cold. Like, what is going on? Isn't that the worst, you know? I still think fries are good, even when they're cold, but still. So yes, I kind of wished Beyond Meat and Burger King would do a collaboration, but that's okay. This is still delicious, okay? And I feel like there aren't that many Burger Kings in Canada. Are there lots of Burger Kings in Canada? Because I feel like there's not that many. Not in this city anyway. I think they're a lot bigger in the States, but let me know. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I also feel like whoever was doing the marketing for the Impossible Burger in Canada did not do a very good job. Okay? Because I didn't even know that it was available in Canada. Again, like until much later. And the way I found out was like I was literally walking by a Burger King. And there was like a sign. It was like, ooh, Impossible Whopper. And I was like, oh my God. So I feel like they could have done a better job. Like I feel like I spend a lot of time on the internet as a vegan. So maybe I would have seen it, or maybe I'm just blind. I don't know. Maybe it was all over. I don't know. Who the hell knows? But yeah. I presume it's available in every Burger King, but I'm not sure. I assume that the one in the States still has the Impossible Burger as well. Hopefully. You know what's crazy? I feel like McDonald's, at least here in Canada, does not have any vegan options. Like what the? Seriously, that's stupid. You know, it's 2022, people. Even KFC has a plant-based burger. Oh my God. What is it about burger and fries? It is just a classic. I also heard somewhere in Europe, because all the good things happen in Europe, like an all plant-based, I believe, Burger King opened somewhere in Europe. Let me Google this. And I think also in the UK, again, all the good vegan things happen in the UK. The Burger King has like vegan options. Austria. How Burger King Austria is making vegan Whoppers the norm. Actually, I don't think that's what it is. Yeah, it's in Austria. A totally vegan Burger King restaurant is now open in Vienna. Another, it says. Burger King has experimented with a number of vegan restaurants recently. Vienna. I need to go back to Vienna, apparently. I've never been to Vienna as a vegan. I went like in 2010 when I was not a vegan. And I wonder what it's like as a vegan. Any Austrians in the house? When I was in the UK, I tried the McPlant, okay? It was like a dream because, first of all, it was at McDonald's, where here in Canada, there's like no vegan options. Second of all, I didn't have to make any adjustments. It was vegan. Vegan mayo, vegan cheese, all those things included. That is a dream, okay? That's all I asked for. That's all I asked for, guys. It just felt so good to just like order it and not say anything else, you know? But you know, beggars can't be choosers. You know what I randomly thought of? So random. Do you guys remember that movie, Super Size Me? Like, you guys watched it, right? We're all old enough to have watched that movie, right? The dude, if you haven't watched it, if you've lived under a rock, or maybe you're so young that you don't know what it is. It was like a documentary of this guy. His name was Morgan. He wanted to experiment by eating McDonald's for every single meal for 30 days. Anyway, he did that. He gained like 1 million pounds. Anyway, it's an interesting movie. But one of the people that they featured in this movie, because obviously he's doing this experiment, but also he's interviewing people, finding out information, all that stuff. And one of the people that he interviewed was this guy that was like a Big Mac enthusiast. I don't know his name, but he was like obsessed with Big Macs, and he would eat like 1 million Big Macs. Not 1 million, but he eats like multiple a day. And I feel like that was like the majority of his diet. I think he had his like wedding at McDonald's or something. I can't remember. And he's like literally famous for eating lots of Big Macs. Okay? Anyway, the reason why I brought it up is I thought of this. I was like, because I remember in that movie, they mentioned that he rarely gets the fries and he usually only eats like the burgers. And this guy was not overweight. Anyway, he didn't look overweight and he looked like he was at least a healthy weight, right? I remember watching that being like, how is he eating McDonald's every day and he's like not fat? But one of the things that they mentioned was that he rarely eats the fries, so he usually just gets the burger. And then sometimes I think about it. A burger, really, it's just a piece of like, well, in my case, plant-based meat, in between a bun with a few little veggies inside, little sauce. Other than, like, if it's not meat, because obviously meat, you know, red meat, artery clogging, processed, all that stuff. Okay. But could it be that bad for you? Could it be that bad for you? Oh, I know people are gonna say, well, Impossible and Beyond Meat is just as bad as regular meat. I don't know. Is it bad? Is it bad for you? I feel like this is worse because this is fried. Who the hell knows? Who knows? Anyway, I wonder if that guy's still alive. And I wonder if he ever got sick of Big Macs. Oh, how y'all doing? I just wish that every fast food place carries a vegan option, you know? That's all I ask for, you know? And like, here's the thing. There's enough vegetarians out there. Like, we're not even just talking about vegans, right? The vegan option can also be the vegetarian option. So just add a vegan option. Think about how many people are vegetarian. There's a lot of vegetarians. But you know, here's the problem nowadays. Now that Beyond Meat and Impossible are so popular, it's like, that's all we get. Which is better than nothing. It's better than before when we had like no option, right? But now we go to like any restaurant, it's like, we'll always get the Beyond Burger or an Impossible Burger. That's the vegan option at the restaurant. Which, again, do I prefer that over cauliflower wings? Yes. Listen, I love a cauliflower wing, okay? But it's not gonna fill me up. So, at least the Beyond Meat and the Impossible Burgers, at least they fill me up. So at least I can be like, okay, I'm full. But like cauliflower, it doesn't fill me up. But now, the problem is, these restaurants, they don't feel the need to get creative with like the vegan option. Which again, in some ways it's good because most non-vegans like don't really know how to cook vegan food anyway. But in many ways, you know, it's like that's all we get. It's a Beyond Meat, Impossible Meat, which again, I love those, but not all the time, right? This is why when I eat out, I try to stick to plant-based restaurants as much as I can. Because it's just, you just get so many more options. Anyway, here's my last bite of the Impossible Whopper. Mmm. 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 That's so good. Sometimes you just need a burger and fries. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that was also not that big. Oh, maybe this was the regular Whopper. And then I remember there was a Whopper Junior. I used to get the Whopper Junior. And then when I was hungry, I would get the regular Whopper. But then this one didn't say it was a Whopper Junior. Just a Whopper or like large Whopper, I think. Who knows? This Diet Coke tastes flat. It's very flat. It's not very fizzy. Anyway, oh my god, you guys. One last thing before I let you go. I have an exciting thing happening. Basically tomorrow, because this is going to be posted on Monday. Tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. So tomorrow, I have something exciting happening. I'll be posting about it, I'm sure, on Instagram stories. So follow me on Instagram at @CheapLazyVegan. It is gonna be very exciting. I don't know why I'm keeping it a mystery, but I'm gonna keep it a mystery, okay? But if you wanna hear about it, if you wanna know what's going on, go to my Instagram, okay? It's something I've been waiting for like a few months. I'm gonna save the rest and like probably like put it in the air fryer or something because why is it cold? Let's have this. Alright guys, that was my Burger King Impossible Whopper mukbang. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll also link my mukbang playlist down below. So if you're interested in watching any of my previous mukbang videos, you can do that as well. And of course, follow me on Instagram at @CheapLazyVegan to see what is going on tomorrow. And also follow me on TikTok at @CheapLazyVegan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave me a little comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!